If you want security without hiding what's behind it, you're going to love the Facade transparent polycarbonate roller shutter from HVP Security Shutters. It's a fully transparent roller shutter made from virtually unbreakable polycarbonate, designed to protect your space while keeping it open, bright, and welcoming. And this isn't just a nice idea product. Facade shutters are used in high-end projects where appearance matters as much as performance. Because when the shutter goes down, you still want the building, the brand, and the display to look premium. The first thing you notice with the Facade is the atmosphere it creates. It gives a real feeling of security, but it doesn't make the space feel closed off. With up to around 80% visibility, you can still see into the shop even when it's closed, so your displays keep working for you after hours. That's why Facade is such a strong choice for commercial environments like airports, shopping malls, and reception desks. It's also a great solution for shop fronts and display windows, shopping centers, reception counters, banks, and even domestic applications like windows, terraces, patio areas, balconies, and swimming pool enclosures. Now, let's talk about what it's made of, because this is where Facade really stands out. The shutter curtain is manufactured from clear, UV-resistant polycarbonate panels, typically 5 mm or 6 mm thick, mounted in aluminium joining rails. Those rails are hinged together, which means when the shutter opens, the panels roll up neatly above the ceiling, leaving the opening completely free. For larger openings, Facade can also be designed with slim H-section mullions between panels, so you can secure wide spans while keeping the look clean and modern. In fact, it's suitable for closing off large openings up to 6 meters wide with a single shutter, depending on panel thickness and overall size. It's also built for real-world use. A double-walled bottom rail is finished with a rubber weather strip, which seals the shutter at the bottom, making it weatherproof and suitable for both interior and exterior use. You've got options on the finish too. Anodized aluminium is standard, and metal parts can be powder-coated to any RAL color. Plus, you can choose optional panel coatings, including scratch-proof or opal finishes for a more translucent look. In terms of operation, Facade is typically electrically operated with an internal tubular motor and a manual override facility. And here's a detail many people don't expect: polycarbonate has surprisingly good fire-resisting properties. It's almost non-flammable and self-extinguishing, another reason it's trusted in demanding commercial environments. Now, quick reality check. Facade isn't considered a budget roller shutter because the materials and engineering behind a transparent, high-performance shutter cost more. But if you want to stand out, if you want your shop front, reception, or commercial entrance to look premium even when it's secured, Facade is exactly how you do it. If you'd like technical advice, drawings, specification support, or a quote for your project, speak to HVP Security Shutters. And we'll help you design the right Facade shutter for your opening, your environment, and the look you're aiming for.